Brahim Diaz reacts to Kylian Mbappe's Panenka. I'm going to be clear. What happened on the field against Villarreal, I didn't take it well. I missed my penalty. That happens in football. But right after that, seeing Kylian try a Panenka like that, it wasn't random. When you play for a big club, you know when a gesture is just a gesture and when it's a message. In that moment, I understood. It wasn't just a penalty. It was a way of showing who's in charge. Who has the mentality? Who takes responsibility? I respect Kylian. He's a great player. But everyone knows that this kind of thing is felt inside a locker room. Football isn't about humiliating. It's about responding on the pitch. And I will respond. At the right time. Now, the question is simple. Was it confidence, or a lack of respect? Do you think Mbappe wanted to humiliate Brahim, or just show his mentality? Say it in the comments.